Today we're making s'mores. I don't know what I did called.
Those are graham crackers.
They graham crackers. I did the chocolate. And they're marshmallows. And do you have a plate?
Hey!
Mm.
Do you have a marshmallow in your mouth? You're hungry? Okay. Well, let's make these s'mores then, shall we? What do you need first? Graham cracker, and then what's next?
Chocolate.
And then what do you put on top of it?
Marshmallows.
How do you put it together? You put the chocolate on top of the on top of the cookie. Other way. Cookie first. Look. Oops. Like this. Cookie. Chocolate. Marshmallow. And then one more cookie. Now we're gonna put it in the microwave. So we microwave for 30 seconds. And maybe not so much. Let's watch that marshmallow. Oh no! Oh no! Our marshmallow fell! Help! Ah! Okay, our marshmallow fell, but that's okay. We just put it right back on the cracker. We only left it in there for 10 seconds. That was plenty. Now try it, Gracie. Are you gonna try the s'mores or just the marshmallow? Oh, you're so silly. You don't want to eat the s'mores? Why not? You asked for s'mores all last week. Let's see. How is it?
Good.
Delicious? Should we make one more? You're just gonna eat all the pieces? Ah! You're gonna eat all the pieces without making the s'mores? Do you like the pieces separate or together? Next time.
I'm going to eat my tacos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
You don't want to talk to our friends anymore? You do? What are you gonna tell them?
Is it watching for next time?
Yeah. You have anything else to say about the s'mores? What?
I don't know.
Are they good? Or is just the chocolate good and the marshmallow good? You don't like the cookie? Do you like the graham cracker? No.
This and this.
Just the chocolate and the marshmallow? Maybe next time we just make chocolate and marshmallow, huh?